Okay, we have a Haas CNC vertical machining center, model VF1D, serial number 1068585. Machine was new in 2008. We're going to run her for you. Machine has the Haas control. It has a 20 tool automatic tool changer, umbrella style, 7,500 RPM spindle, Cat 40. That's 1,000 RPM. Machine's nice and quiet. You have it's set up for Renishaw probe, and actually we have the probe. 2,500 RPM. You have a 26 by 14 table, T-sided table. 4,000 RPM. You have 20 inches of X travel, 16 of Y, and 20 of Z. We're simulating a tool change. We'll do it again. .20 horsepower vector dual drive. That's your Z. Your X. And your Y. So you've seen the 3 axes. The machine also has a remote jog hand wheel. Thank you for watching our video.